Morning, teacher. My name is Kethya. Today I read The Brave Tin Soldiers. There are 25 tin soldiers. There are little boys. Soldiers. The soldiers are in the playroom. They live in a tin box. One tin soldier is different. He only has one leg. There are a castle in the playrooms. In front of the castle is a dancer. She stands on one leg. The tin soldier is in love with her. The soldiers want to meet the dancer, but he cannot open the tin box. Then the black goblin opened the box. It tells the soldiers not to look at the dancer. The tin soldiers does not listen. The next day, many children come. They put the tin soldiers by the windows. The tin soldiers fall into the street. Did the goblin push him? Did the wind push him? The tin soldier does not know. Soon it starts to rain. The rain makes a small stream. Two boys see the tin soldiers. They make a paper boat for him. They put the soldiers in the boat. They put the boat in the water. The water moves fast, so the paper boat moves fast. The tin soldiers tries to be brave. The boat goes into the drain. It is now very dark. The tin soldiers see a big rat. The boat sailed by the rat. The rat chased the boat, but the boat sailed out of the drain. Then the boat sank. The tin soldiers goes under water. A big fish eats the soldiers. It is dark inside the fish. Then someone catch the fish. He take the fish to the market. A cook buy the fish. He caught the fish. The cook find the tin soldiers. The cook put the soldiers on the table. The table is in the playrooms. The soldiers is at home. Is home again. The tin soldiers see the same toys. The same toys. He see the same children. He see the dancer too. The crew put the soldier by the fire. The tin soldier starts to melt. Then the wind blow the dancer falls by the fire. She starts to melt too. They both melt. The melt into the shape of the heart. Please thank you for watching, teacher.